If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL interview question which has been asked in previous round of interview. So today we are going to discuss the question like we have to classify the employee based upon their joining date. So suppose a employee over here we have hire date. So the employee which has been hired in this year, that will consider as a freshers or recent joiners, or those who are uh, like hired or like joined before 2025 will be considered as an experienced employee. So how we can do that? So what we have to do, first of all we have to find the uh, e- date of joining or year of experience, like that, right? So what we can do, we can write the case statement, case when a higher date is greater than equals to, right? And we can give the current date. We can take system date, or like that we can take that as well, or like we can define the date as well. So we will define the date. So 0101. So those who have joined on 1st of Jan 2025 or before, after that, that will consider as a new joiner. So we'll just give the new joiner or recent joiner, just will give this. So let's keep this. Else we will give experience. So we'll give this experience, and we'll give the end as EMP cat, or EMP experience also we can give. So let's do one thing. We will keep this aside, and we'll look into. So we can see, right, most of the employees hire date is more than like 2025. So all our experience, this person is recent joiner. So his date of joining is like 4th of Jan. So that's why he is considered as a recent joiner. So there might be another catch over here. So instead of that hire date, it will ask you to fetch the year. So what you have to do, you have to do the date diff command. There is command called date diff, and you can fetch the year first, and then you can pass the year parameter.